January, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm very thankful for everything that you have done for me. I thank God every day for giving me you. I couldn't imagine life without you.
Have it all. I don't want any more. Here, climb the wall that I built and I still feel small. We no more. Here, find me out. I am all fear and doubt. Here, flesh and bones. Are we not animals? Still unsure. We no more.
I'll always be grateful to you for coming into my life and making me the happiest I've ever been. You are my person, for better or for worse, in sickness and health. I'll always love you. You are so handsome and I can't wait to see you today.
I'm thankful for you always being there for me when I need you and standing by my side. And I can't wait for over the years to just watch our love grow stronger each and every day as we start a new journey. January, I promise to love and always be there for you whenever you need me.
You came into my life when I was giving up on love. I told God if you weren't it, to just let you go. But you stayed and loved me the best way you can. I can't wait for us to start this new journey together as husband and wife. We have so much to look forward to, babe. See you at the altar, babe, looking sharp.
I'll get you home when you are tired. Stand next to you when you're in the fire.
I will always love you and I will always cherish you. I will always be faithful to you as we begin our new journey. I can't wait to see how bright our future becomes. I can't wait to start a family with you and watch you become the best mother to our kids.
When I'd rather lie, I'd rather be known than keep it tired. Stand next to you when you're in the fire.